Wait. So you told your boss you have broken the computer, like just now, and he freaked out?
Yeah. I mean, it happened last week, but I said I have broken because I thought that was correct.
Oh no. Okay, everyone listening right now, if you've ever confused your English teacher, your boss, or your friends by mixing up I broke and I have broken, this episode is going to save your life. We're talking about the present perfect today. And trust me, after this conversation, you'll finally understand when to use it. Let's go.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Hey. I'm so excited about today's lesson because this is one of the most confusing topics for English learners, but it's also one of the most useful. We're going to teach you how to talk about your day using the present perfect tense. And don't worry, we're going to make it super simple.
Exactly. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly when to say, I have done something versus I did something. You'll sound more natural, more confident, and honestly, more like a native speaker.
And we're not just going to give you grammar rules. We're going to have a real conversation, give you real examples, and even practice together. So get ready to speak out loud with us.
All right, Lily, let's start with the basics. What exactly is the present perfect?
Okay, so the present perfect is when we use have or has plus the past participle of a verb. For example, I have eaten, she has finished, we have seen. Easy so far, right?
Right, but here's where people get confused. When do we actually use it? Like, what's the difference between I ate breakfast and I have eaten breakfast?
Great question. And this is the key. We use the present perfect when we're talking about something that happened in the past, but the exact time doesn't matter, or when the past action is connected to now.
Connected to now. That's the important part. Let me give you an example. If I say, I ate breakfast at 7 a.m., I'm telling you the specific time, it's finished, it's in the past, done.
Exactly. But if you say, I have eaten breakfast, you're just telling me that it happened. Maybe it was 7 a.m., maybe it was 8 a.m. You don't care about the time. You're just saying, hey, breakfast is done, I'm not hungry anymore.
Yes, it's about the result or the experience, not the time. Okay, listeners, try this out loud. Say, I have eaten breakfast.
Go ahead, say it. I have eaten breakfast.
Nice. Now say, I ate breakfast at 8 a.m.
Feel the difference? One is about the result. The other is about the specific time.
Perfect. So let's talk about your day, Lily. What have you done today?
Okay, so today, well, I have drunk 3 cups of coffee already.
3 cups! Wow. Okay, so you said, I have drunk 3 cups of coffee. Why did you use present perfect?
Because I'm talking about today, my day isn't finished yet. And also, the result is that I'm super awake and maybe a little shaky.
Exactly. You're connecting the past to the present. You drank the coffee earlier, but the effect is happening now. You're awake now. That's present perfect.
Right. Now, if I said I drank 3 cups of coffee yesterday, that would be simple past because yesterday is finished. It's over. No connection to today.
Perfect explanation. Okay, let me try. I have answered 20 emails this morning.
Nice. You use present perfect because the morning isn't finished yet, right?
Exactly. It's still morning while we're recording, so I can say I have answered because the time period, this morning, is still happening.
Love it. But if you said I answered 20 emails this morning, that would mean it's not morning anymore. Like it's now afternoon, so that time is finished.
Yes, time is the key. If the time is finished, use simple past. If the time is still continuing, or if you don't care about the time, use present perfect.
Okay, listeners, pause for a second. Think about your day. What have you done today? Have you eaten lunch? Have you studied English? Have you talked to a friend?
Try making a sentence. out loud, right now. Say, I have,
Go on, finish the sentence.
and if you're not sure, don't worry. We're going to practice more.
Okay, wait. Before we go further, I need to tell you about the biggest mistake learners make with present perfect.
Oh, this is good. What is it?
People use present perfect with a specific time in the past. Like, they say, I have seen that movie yesterday.
Ooh, no, that's wrong.
Exactly. If you say yesterday, you must use simple past. I saw that movie yesterday, not I have seen.
This is so important. You cannot use present perfect with words like yesterday, last week, in 2020, 2 hours ago. Those are finished times.
Right. But you can use present perfect with words like today, this week, this year, recently, already, yet, ever, never.
Because those times are either still continuing or we don't care about the exact moment.
Yes. So listeners, if you've been making this mistake, and honestly, most learners do, now you know. Specific time in the past equals simple past. No specific time or time still continuing equals present perfect.
Let's practice. Lily, correct this sentence. I have visited Paris last summer.
Okay, that's wrong. It should be, I visited Paris last summer.
Correct, because last summer is a specific finished time. Good job.
Now you try, Max. Correct this. Have you ever been to Japan?
Wait, that one is actually correct.
Yes, because ever is not a specific time. It means in your life. So present perfect is perfect for that question.
Nice trick. Okay, everyone, you're doing great. Let's keep going.
All right, so now let's talk about the most useful phrases you can use every single day with present perfect.
These are phrases that native speakers use all the time, so listen carefully and we'll practice together.
Number 1, I have just. This means something happened very recently, like I have just finished my homework, or I have just woken up.
Yeah, just is super common. It's like saying, this happened a few minutes ago and it's still fresh.
Exactly. Listeners, try this. I have just eaten lunch. Say it out loud.
Go ahead. Say, I have just eaten lunch.
Beautiful. Okay, number 2, I have already. This means something is done, maybe earlier than expected. Like, I have already finished my work.
Or, I have already seen that movie. It's like you're saying, yep, done. I don't need to do it again.
Right. Now try, I have already studied today.
Say it, I have already studied today.
Nice work. Number 3, I haven't yet. This is for things you plan to do, but you haven't done them yet. Like, I haven't eaten yet. I haven't called my mom yet.
Yet goes at the end of the sentence. In negative sentences, it's like saying, not now, but soon.
Exactly. Okay, practice. I haven't finished my homework yet.
Go ahead. I haven't finished my homework yet.
Perfect. Number 4, have you ever? This is for asking about experiences in someone's life. Have you ever traveled to Europe? Have you ever tried sushi?
This is such a natural conversation starter. You're asking if something happened at any time in their life.
Right. And the answer would be, yes, I have, or no, I haven't. Or you can add details. Yes, I have. I went to Italy last year.
See how you can mix present perfect and simple past in one answer? That's advanced.
Okay, try this question. Have you ever been to New York?
Say it out loud. Have you ever been to New York?
Great. And one more. Number 5, I have never. This is for saying something has not happened in your life. I have never eaten snails. I have never been to Australia.
Never is a strong word. It means 0 times, not once.
Exactly. Practice. I have never seen snow.
Go ahead. I have never seen snow.
Awesome. So those are 5 super useful phrases. Let's review them quickly.
1, I have just, something very recent.
2, I have already. Something completed, maybe sooner than expected.
3, I haven't yet, something you will do but not now.
4, have you ever? asking about life experiences.
5. I have never, saying something has not happened in your life.
Okay, now let's use these in a real conversation.
All right, let's do a role play. I'll be your friend, and we're meeting for coffee. Ready?
Ready.
Hey, Lily, how's your day going?
Hi, my day has been great. I have already finished all my work, so I'm feeling really relaxed.
Nice! Have you eaten lunch yet?
No, I haven't eaten yet. I'm actually really hungry. Have you?
Yeah, I have just eaten a big sandwich. It was delicious.
Lucky. I have never tried that cafe you like. Is it good?
Oh, it's amazing. You should go. Have you ever been there?
No, I haven't, but I've heard great things about it.
Perfect. Okay, listeners, did you hear how we used present perfect naturally in that conversation?
Yeah, we used have already finished, have just eaten, have never tried, have you ever been, and haven't eaten yet.
All in one short conversation. That's how native speakers talk.
Okay, now it's your turn. Imagine you're meeting a friend. What have you done today? Say it out loud. Practice.
Go ahead, make a few sentences. We'll wait.
And don't be shy. Speaking out loud is the best way to learn.
All right, we've covered a lot. Let's recap the most important points.
Number 1, present perfect is have or has plus the past participle. It's used when the exact time doesn't matter or when the past is connected to now.
Number 2, use simple past when you mention a specific time in the past. Yesterday, last week, in 2020. These are finished times.
Number 3, use present perfect with words like just, already, yet, ever, and never.
Number 4, common mistakes include using present perfect with specific past times. Don't say, I have seen him yesterday. Say, I saw him yesterday.
Number 5, present perfect is perfect for talking about your day, especially when your day isn't finished yet. I have done this. I have eaten that.
And remember the 5 key phrases. I have just, I have already, I haven't yet, have you ever, and I have never.
If you remember these, you're going to sound so much more natural.
Seriously, this is the kind of English that native speakers use every single day.
Okay, everyone, we're almost at the end, but before we finish, I want to say something important.
Go ahead.
Learning English is hard. Grammar can be confusing, but you're here, you're listening, you're practicing, and that means you're already succeeding.
Absolutely. Every time you practice, every time you try to make a sentence, you're getting better. Even if you make mistakes, that's okay. Mistakes are how we learn.
Exactly. So don't be afraid to use present perfect. Don't be afraid to speak. You've got this.
And we're here to help you. So if you have questions, leave them in the comments. Tell us, what have you done today? What have you learned?
Yeah. And if this lesson helped you, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's learning English.
Also, quick bonus tip before we go. If you want to sound even more natural, try using contractions. Instead of I have, say I've. Instead of she has, say she's.
Great tip. So, I've eaten, she's finished, we've done it. It sounds smoother and more like a native speaker.
Perfect. All right, everyone, that's it for today. Next time, we're going to talk about how to give your opinion in English without sounding rude. You don't want to miss that.
It's going to be so useful. Until then, keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, you're doing amazing.
Thanks for listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max.
And I'm Lily. See you next time.
Bye.